Hello Ansible enthusiasts and welcome back to the Ansible pilot. Today we are diving into the latest edition of the Bullhorn, that's issue 128 of the Ansible community newsletter, dated January 26, 2024. Packed with updates, community news and lots more. This issue is a treasure trove for anyone in the Ansible universe, so jump right in. Okay, let's start with some key dates you won't want to miss. Mark your calendar for the release of Ansible Core 2.16.3, 2.15.9 and 2.14.14 on January 29th. Followed by Ansible 9.2.0 on January 13th. Plus, there are important meetings and deadlines coming up, including the DAWGS and Community WG meetings, and not to forget the content deadline for Bullhorn 129th. Okay, on the general news updates, there is exciting buzz about Ansible presence at FOSDEM and Configuration Management Camp in Europe. If you're attending, don't miss the chance to visit the Ansible stand and join in on discussion session and a special hack day at the Ansible Collab at Configuration Management Camp. Project and collection update. Issue 128 is bringing with project and collection updates. From GitHub Action to Ansible Collection to the release of Community.Docker 3.6.0, there is a lot happening. Notable mentions include new development tools, updates to the Community.Crypto collection, and the first MVP release of the Community.ClickHouse collection. This update underscores the vibrant evolution of Ansible's ecosystem, proposals, and community vote. The newsletter also brings attention to several important proposals and ongoing votes in the community. Topics range from the life cycle of Ansible 9 to updating inclusion requirements. Your participation in this discussion is vital for the community's direction, so make sure to cast your votes. Community highlights and acknowledgement. Let's not forget the heartbeat of Ansible, its community. This issue spotlights a newly published book by me, Luca Burton, about the Red Hat Ansible automation platform, offering an exclusive discount for the community, and the source code freely download from GitHub. Also, a big shout out to Alex Vagashev for becoming a maintainer of the Community.ClickHouse collection. Congratulations, Alex! And that's it. Thanks. That's a wrap-up of issue 128 of the Bullhorn. Remember, the Ansible community thrives on your involvement, so don't hesitate to join the discussion and contribute. For more detailed insight into each of these updates, check out the newsletter link in the description below. Thanks for tuning into Ansible Pilot. If you found this overview helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Ansible updates and ring that notification bell. See you in the next video and have a great day! Yay!